Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. This is Miss Quinones, also known as Miss Q. So today we are doing lesson 1, simple interest for this week. So simple interest is super easy, guys. Very simple to understand. With this formula here, we're going to follow it and input our values and just multiply. So if they're asking for the interest, okay, that would be the I. You multiply the principal, the amount that you're going to borrow, times the rate changed into a decimal. The rate will always be given as a percent. You'll need to change it to a decimal. And then times the T, which is the time. How much time is going to pass in years? Okay, so for example, they say in 5 years. Or if they say in half a year, okay, they say 6 months, that's half a year. You're going to have to convert that to a decimal. You can't put 6, okay? So we'll see some examples here in a minute. So when you're calculating simple interest, you're calculating how much interest you're going to have to pay, the extra money that you'll have to pay on something that you're buying, like a car or anything that you're going to have to use a credit card on. So that's interest that's accumulating over the time. Let's see. Then, for example, also, if they ask you for the balance, that is going to be an extra step you're going to have to do, because with simple interest, the simple interest formula, it only calculates the interest for you. So let's look at an example. Find the interest earned. Okay, so that's going to be a straight, simple, using our PRT. So here's our P, the 2,550. This is T, 3, and this is R, the 4%. But I'm going to have to change that to a decimal. So I'm going to make decimal space, 2 spaces to the left, and it becomes 0.04. So this number times point, oh, get my eraser. 0.04 times the years, 3. No additional deposits or withdrawals were made. So we're just going to multiply straight off. So 2,550 times 0.04, the rate, times 3 years. So the interest earned is $306. That is how much extra money that you're going to end up paying by the time the 3 years is over. That's how much extra money you're having to pay. Okay, next example. This one says find the balance. The first example only said to find the interest. So this is a different scenario. You're going to have to go an extra step. After you find the interest, and we're going to have to add it. Okay, so first of all, let's identify. We have P, principal, so 5,000 for 5 years at 9% annual simple interest. No additional deposits or withdrawals were made. Okay, so I already have identified my principal. That's the money that you're borrowing. Okay, 5 years, that's the time, that's T. 9%, that's your rate. Okay, remember we have to change that to a decimal though. So 2 spaces to the left, and that becomes 0.09. Oh, something wrong with my pen. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and multiply 5,000 times 0.09 times 5. get my calculator. Let's clear this off. We have 5,000 times 0.09 times 5. Okay, so my interest accumulated for that is 2,000. Let me check that again. Maybe I didn't put something right. 5,000. Yes, 5,000 times 0.09 times 5. Yep. So 2,250 2,250 is the interest, but the question did ask for the balance. So we're going to add that to our principal, which was 5,000. Okay, so now I get my calculator. That plus 5,000. And we have 7,250. And that is my balance, 7,250. That is my final answer. Okay, on the next page, which is your actual assignment, here number 1 says find the interest earned, find the balance. Okay, that's different. You have to do an extra step. That's your interest plus the balance. Be very careful. Pay attention to the questions. Don't just do the steps. I know a lot of you have been doing that. You just quickly just do one thing and that's it. You need to read the question. Okay, so make sure you are reading the question. Find the balance, number 6. Number 4, find the balance. So see, you got it. They're all mixed up, guys. You need to pay attention to what it's asking you. All right, so it is a very simple assignment on simple interest. I hope this was understanding. And if you need to ask your teacher for help, you need to ask. Make sure you're asking for help, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Bye-bye.